Hi, I'm Lubona. We are in Fourways featuring the top end properties for Galencia. So these properties we're featuring, today we've actually featured, this is the third one, 3 properties. This is the biggest that you can come and raise your family here. Remember, with buying from the developer, you don't have to pay bond costs, you don't have to pay transfer costs, but remember, you can't do it on your own. You need to call us so we can guide you on how to do it. And remember, visit us again, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, so we are on this property. It has a double garage, 3 bedrooms and a Pyjama Lounge. Come and show you. This is the entrance hallway. Also so there's your entrance hall. The door, I just closed it for you to see that it's got that peepholes there. I just wanted to joke with you that if you don't want your neighbor to visit, you just see if they're there, then you just keep quiet, pretend you're not there. So this door, beautiful door. I haven't seen a garage door this beautiful, Marisha. So the door opens up to the garage. High ceilings, extra length, flows beautifully down. And it's coming with an inverter. You know, in these load shedding days, an inverter is a must. So, and it's like, an inverter is like 60,000, 60, 80,000. So you can imagine if you buy this property, that cost is already covered. Then here you have extra storage space for all your clutter or your kiddies' toys. I love the space. So this is the kitchen. Here you have your fridge space and countertops made of scissor stone, very luxurious. This is what we get in our multi-million houses, but Galencia has put it for you because it's also a multi-million house. Remember, this one is going for 3 million. Very affordable, no costs. Then this is a sink here and 2 machine spaces for you. Breakfast nook. You can put your stools there. I think this can fit about 4 stools and you can have your breakfast there while you are actually entertaining your visitors as well. On my right here, we have the dining space and a nice chandelier on top that makes it look very luxurious and stunning. I just love the size of the windows. Look at that window. So when you open it, all the fresh air comes in the house. I'm walking right through the living area. I love the space, very big and luxurious. Look at the chandelier. The chandelier in the living area is actually bigger than the dining. That makes it to give you that modern feel. And it has this door here that opens up to the patio with a built-in braai. So what I like about these properties is that they are full title. You can see it has a big garden. You can actually put your splash pool if you want and just enjoy your space, or if you don't mind, you can go to the clubhouse. It has everything. You can go have your parties there or a swim day. It's open for everyone. Now we ascend, going to the upstairs. On my right here is your guest toilet with a sink, also nicely tucked away from the rest of the house. That gives your visitors that privacy. And now we're going upstairs. Oh, I love this space. So like I said, this is the biggest of them all. It has this Pyjama Lounge and a small area there that you can make as a study. So we have a lot of working from home nowadays. So this house is actually ticking all the boxes. What you are looking for, you will get from this house. This is bedroom number 1. Nice and spacious with a lot of cupboard space. You can see they have staged it with 2 beds. These cupboard spaces can actually, it caters for 2 people. So if you've got 2 boys or 2 girls, they can actually share this bedroom. and a lot of cabinets as well. A lot of compartments. They are very unique wardrobes. I haven't seen such in a long time. Just want to show you. So this is actually suitable for the children. There you have your full bathroom that is shared by both bedrooms. The bathroom is stunning with modern finishes. The cabinets there, very nicely done with the lights on the mirrors. It makes it look very modern and luxurious. This is bedroom number 2. Also spacious. You can see the queen size bed fits nicely, leaving a lot of space there, and also has a door that opens up to the outside, giving you that fresh air, and also has the nice gloss finishes on the wardrobes. The bedrooms are coming with lush, nice carpets, making it look very upmarket. Wow, look at this space. This is the main bedroom. Very spacious with a lot of, with ample space. The cupboards are actually enough for everyone. I know a lot of people will come and tell us, but Luana, I've got a lot of clothes. Come on, I think these ones, you can actually put everything there and the room will be enough for you. The room fits a king size bed, leaving it with a lot of space for you to do a lot of other things. You can see they've put a dressing cabinet here. You can actually put a couch. You can put a couch there and it will be actually enough. There's a balcony also here. So on those summer nights, you can actually just sit here and chill and enjoy the fresh air from the green belt. The full bathroom, I had to go inside because it's very nice, Marisha. The full bathroom is actually stunning with a big cabinet that they put there and a sink, very nice and modern, with the lights, a touchscreen light on your mirror that makes it look very luxurious and upmarket. There's a shower as well there, a big shower actually, a huge corner shower. The Pyjama Lounge also opens up here. You can just stand here and enjoy the vegetation from the green belt there, the fresh air, and just wind on the day like I'm doing right now. So if you like our videos, if you like our properties, remember, give us a call. We're always on the ball. We'll make sure that you have these properties. Remember, the Galentia properties are coming with inventors. We are not paying transfer costs, you're not paying bond costs, and the banks now, they're actually very generous. They can give you 100% bond. But remember, you can't do it on your own. You need to work with professionals. Give us a call and we'll help.